The stump shredder is not just a tool, but also a symbol of strength and modernity in the construction industry and environmental management. Equipped with advanced technology, this machine never ceases to satisfy those who have the opportunity to witness its boundless power. Don't forget to like, share and follow the channel to support us. And now please watch today's video. Woodcracker R is a tree stump treatment machine that operates much more gently than other conventional machines. Amazingly, the Dipper Fox Crusher 850 Pro spindle on the UCB Excavator can destroy up to 162 tree stumps in 1 hour. With a sharp blade, this wood splitter easily handles large diameter tree stumps. Not only that, with the ability to work with little noise and ensure safety, the SC6600 spindle is a reliable choice in destroying tree stumps for many households. You will be amazed when you witness the powerful destructive power of this shark-toothed separator. With its powerful and efficient working ability, this tree root destroyer has become an effective assistant in the land and environmental management industry. Equipped with cutting blades and high-performance hydraulic system, the FH20R ensures precise and fast tree stump removal, saving time and labor costs. Destroying maple tree stumps becomes easy with the Volvo EC60E mini excavator combined with a sharp blade. These sharp teeth challenge even the largest tree roots. They can cut through soil and rock, a testament to its strength. It's great that the Bobcat E42R2 mini excavator easily removes hardwood trees, quickly clearing the forest. Thanks to the Manka Ripper tree stump destruction tool, obstructing tree roots are no longer a concern for workers. With great precision and durability, the tree root destroyer makes every job easier and more efficient. Let's see the mini excavator BH92 destroying a 14-year-old tree. Each new tree planting season is initiated with the help of a root destroyer, bringing hope for a clean and sustainable green future. Power, smoothness, ease of operation. Digging pine stumps with the Deere 270 DLC excavator brings results beyond expectations for users. Watch this tree stump destroyer remove a damaged Bradford pear tree. This monster tree stump was also easily taken down by this Seni Sci 50U excavator.
So you can get a little closer. It's ever so slightly.
The Vermeer South Carolina 30 Texas tree stump cutter is the optimal solution for removing tree stumps effectively and easily. This compact yet powerful machine is designed to tackle stubborn tree stumps quickly. Each operation of the Revolution Tree Root Destroyer is an important step forward in protecting and restoring the environment. The HIMAC Stump Removal Bucket is an innovative multi-use skid steer attachment that lifts stumps and small trees off the ground faster than ever. With its user-friendly design, impressive cutting capabilities and compact size, the Vermeer SC30TX tree stump cutter is the perfect addition to any landscape arsenal. The Skid Steer Stumper 280 stump grinder is a symbol of progress and efficiency in environmental management and protection. The Demonio 23 000 forest mower can handle areas up to 2.3 wide and 40 centimeters deep. In Sweden, people use Nordson excavators to process remaining tree stumps, preparing for the next afforestation process. The Atera drill is the progress and development of the community in destroying tree stumps and cleaning the environment. Get ready to be captivated by the wonder that is Hyven Havanetsu, a true powerhouse in the field of forestry equipment. This formidable machine serves as the guardian of the forest, capable of crushing logs at incredible speeds. With the ability to process more than 50 cubic meters of wood per hour with high precision, Chipper Brock's 803 CT became an important tool in the forestry industry. Is a formidable machine in the field of stump removal. With a powerful motor and precise cutting capabilities, the Carlton SP7015 tree stump grinder can crush tree stumps of all sizes with ease. The mobile crusher mounted directly on the truck is a magical technology that brings crushing power directly to the job site, reducing transportation costs and increasing efficiency. With an impressive rotor opening of 15 cm to 100 cm, the Weidemann 1000 rotor Entrindung excels in its ability to separate bark from logs at fast speeds. Is known as a beast of a machine that dominates the field of wood and green waste processing. The Moorbach 3200 wood hog can consume more than 100 tons of material per hour, easily turning logs into valuable wood chips and mulch. Moorbach 4600 horizontal grinder as a key tool in land clearing, recycling and biomass production. This machine plays a vital role in promoting sustainability and environmental stewardship. The Dahl 150 ear cover accessory for the John Deere 753J is a game changer in forestry. With beautiful design and durable structure, it brings peace of mind to the operator. Cat 309 combined with Dina's CMUF head is a dynamic duo that is revolutionizing land clearing operations, able to tackle vegetation with unprecedented efficiency. With its powerful performance, the Comptech Crambo 5200 can process up to 50 tons of organic waste per hour, easily turning it into valuable biomass or compost. With an impressive 446 horsepower, the CAT C13 446CV engine provides the raw power needed to operate a variety of industrial applications. Admire the Comptech Crambo 6000, a giant of efficiency and power in the field of shredding technology, capable of consuming more than 40 tons of biomass per hour. Pezolato PTH 1000/820M drum wood chipper uses a Caterpillar C15 engine with 540 horsepower. This dynamic combination allows the machine to easily process large volumes of wood, producing high-quality wood chips. CMI 12560 track-mounted mulcher, a versatile machine that redefines land clearing and vegetation management, can treat vegetation along a 12-foot wide area, covering large areas effectively. Remote controlled, this advanced machine can process perennial wood easily and with high efficiency, helping people save a large amount of time. Processing up to 60 stumps per hour, the Bandit 2550 stump grinder can effectively clear soil and turn unsightly stumps into mulch. It is the optimal solution for landscape care professionals. The versatility and efficiency of the Bandit Beast 4680 make it indispensable for land clearing, recycling and biomass production, playing a vital role in waste management and renewable energy production. The Diamond ZH6000 TKT whole tree grinder is a true giant in the world of wood grinding. With its immense power, it can process up to 150 tons of whole trees per hour. 19.https://www.youtube.com/watch. The Kubtaliklo. In compact design and powerful performance make wood chippers indispensable for land clearance, green space maintenance and organic waste management. Playing an important role in sustainable land management practices is solid. With its rugged construction and high-performance capabilities, the Bandit 3500 can handle logs, branches and brush up to 20 inches in diameter with ease. From landscaping and construction to agriculture and forestry, the T86 excels in versatility, making it an indispensable asset for professionals across industries, setting the standard for efficiency and reliability. Trust. The Comtech Crambo 5200 EC Direct and Volvo L90F, the dynamic duo in waste management and material handling, streamline waste operations, maximize productivity and minimize downtime. Tricherator QR1700, an advanced shredder that redefines the industrial waste treatment process. It efficiently transforms various waste streams into valuable resources. The Pezzolato PTH 1200/820M is equipped with a powerful Scania DC16 engine, providing unprecedented performance and reliability in wood chipping operations, allowing the machine to easily process up to 100 cubic meters of wood per hour. With impressive capacity, the Pezzolato PTH 1000/1000 Hackerock Drumwood Chipper, using a powerful 450 horsepower man engine, easily converts logs and bushes into valuable wood chips. Plays an important role in waste management and renewable energy production. Dynamic Conehead is a testament to efficiency and reliability, providing a sustainable solution for your wood chipping needs. The T360 Forestry Mulcher, a powerful tool in land clearance and vegetation management, can process up to 20 acres of dense vegetation per day, turning forests into usable land. With its innovative design and powerful scanning capabilities, the new CMI 175 road sweeper can easily clear debris along a 20-foot stretch of road, ensuring a safe and tidy path. CMI C175, a heavy-duty road milling machine that redefines road construction and maintenance. With an impressive cutting width of 86 inches, it can grind efficiently. The devices are vital for modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Please comment below to let me know. We promise to bring you more interesting videos. See you again.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.